Hello, my name is Tomoyuki Kajiwara. I am a student at長岡 University of Technology. Today, I would like to talk to you about our study, the title of Selecting Proper Lexical Paraphrase for Children. Let's start. We simplify the text of newspaper articles, especially for elementary school students. About 200,000 words are used every year in the newspaper for the general public. We convert to the newspaper for the elementary school children from the newspaper for the general public by limited to 5,404 words called basic vocabulary to learn. For vocabulary control, we paraphrase using the Japanese dictionary. Japanese dictionary is a language resource that provides the definition of a given headword. For example, the dictionary definition of final stage is the last scene of play. We select the last with the highest similarity to the headword as determined using a thesaurus. Basic vocabulary to learn is a collection of words selected based on lexical analysis of elementary school textbooks. It contains 5,404 words that can help children write expressively. We do reading assistance for elementary school students by the general vocabulary and vocabulary to learn paraphrase to basic vocabulary to learn. Fujita et al. And Mino and Tanaka paraphrase the headword as another headword by assessing the similarity of the definition for the two. Yet, as also reported by Mino and Tanaka, the target words acquired by this method are not simpler than the original words. We paraphrase by taking advantage of Japanese dictionary characteristics, namely that the definition statements are simpler than the headwords, because our aim is lexical simplification. Kaji et al. And Mino and Tanaka and Kajiwara and Yamamoto assumes that the last segments of the main sentence in the definition statement represents the meaning of the headword, and they selected target words from the end of the definition statement in the dictionary. However, appropriate target words are not always found at the end of definitions. The dictionary definition of final stage is the last scene of the play. The end of the definition statements is scene, but final stage cannot be paraphrased as scene. In this example, paraphrasing with the last is correct. The original phrase, big match of the final stage, is paraphrased as big match of the last. Therefore, we propose a better method for identifying target words from within a definition statement. In our proposed method, difficult words are extracted from the input. Difficult words are content words that do not appear in basic vocabulary to learn. The difficult words is located in the Japanese dictionary. Words are extracted from the definition statement if they are the same part of speech as the headword. And words are extracted as simple words from the words if they appear in basic vocabulary to learn. We measure the similarity of meaning between difficult word and each simple word using Japanese WordNet, and select the one with the closest semantic match for the paraphrase. Kajiwara and Yamamoto's approach is used as comparative method. In contrast to the method proposed here, Kajiwara and Yamamoto's method describes the acquisition of only one target word from the end of the definition statement. We acquire multiple simple words because we use multiple dictionaries and difficult words has more than one meaning. The comparative method selects simple words utilizing frequency and context information, and select by weighted voting uses these comparative methods. I use 152 difficult words for experiments. A new sentence including one difficult word in each are paraphrased. Difficult words are words that appear more than 50 times in the Mainichi newspaper published in 2000 and are not included in basic vocabulary to learn. These 152 difficult words include one or more of the paraphrasable simple words in the definition statements. We combined 3 Japanese dictionaries to increase the coverage of the paraphrasing. The target words are acquired by each method with 152 difficult words. In selection of proposed target word, difficult words are split into 52 difficult words and 100 difficult words. First, 52 difficult words are used in order to select the proposed target words by the proposed method and 5 comparative methods. Based on the rate of correct answers, a proper target word is selected by weighted voting of 100 difficult words. 3 subjects that do not include the author and co-author are evaluated. When 2 or more subjects in the 3 subjects are judged that the simple word can be replaced with difficult words in the original sentence, the simple word is the correct answer. I'll explain the experimental procedure. Difficult words are extracted from the original sentence. Difficult words are content words that do not appear in basic vocabulary to learn. The difficult words is located in the Japanese dictionary. Words are extracted from the definition statement if they are the same part of speech as the headword. And words are extracted as simple words from the word if they appeared in basic vocabulary to learn. We measure the similarity of meaning between difficult words and each simple word using Japanese WordNet. And select the one original the closest semantic match for the paraphrase. The proposed method is able to acquire more target words than the comparative method, which includes paraphrasable simple words. This shows that potential as well as effectiveness of the proposed method, which acquires target words from the entire definition statement. However, the number of target words, including paraphrasable words, acquired by the proposed method differs by only 3.2 points from the number acquired by the comparative method. And this shows that words at the end of definition statement are more effective than those found elsewhere. Result of the experiment on the 52 difficult words. For the selection of the target word, the proposed method using WordNet similarity is most efficient. At this point in the analysis, the proposed method is better than the comparative method for the acquisition of the target words. Result of the experiment on the 100 difficult words. The selection acquired by comparative method is improved by mashup and vote. By combining the 5 comparative methods, the voting method achieves an accuracy rate nearly equal to that of the proposed method. If the combined method obtained a nearly equal accuracy, the proposed method is better than the weighted voting method because of its simplicity. These results show that selecting the target word based on its similarity of meaning with the original word is better than selection by frequency or context information. There are some unsuccessful examples. There are two major types of such errors. 1. The target word is selected at random because two or more simple words have the highest similarity of wordnet with original words. 2. The non-paraphrasable word's similarity is higher than that of the word at the end of definition statement. This study demonstrates that to achieve lexical simplification for elementary school students, it is effective to paraphrase using definition statements from multiple Japanese dictionaries and the lexical restriction of basic vocabulary to learn. Since the proposed method acquires target words from the full text of the definition, it may be able to select more appropriate target words than comparative method, which make use of only the end of the definition statement. It is necessary to select a proper target word from among several candidates that have been acquired. The result of this experiment shows that the method of utilizing wordnet similarity is better than the method utilizing frequency and context information. Thank you for your attention.